To clean the banknote reader, you'll need a microfiber cloth. We recommend cleaning the banknote reader every month. All operations must be carried out by habilitated persons. Open the electrical panel door. Switch off circuit breaker D12 to be able to operate in complete safety. The banknote reader is located in the electronic cash box. Open the cash box door. Remove the box from the banknote reader. Pull the latch on the underside of the reader to open the cover. Gently clean the reader with a dry microfiber cloth. When the reader is cleaned, close the cover. Reposition the banknote reader cover. Put D12 back up. Press the Windows key on the keyboard and click on the triangle-shaped icon to open the Guardian. Click Reboot, then reboot software. Pass a cleaning wipe through the cash reader.